Hey everyone, it's Sam here. Thank you for watching. So today I'm going to show you how to make these very cute little Easter crackers. I love making crackers. I think they work great for so many occasions. I have a playlist here with loads on there, all different sizes, different themes. So if you like the idea of giving a cracker at Easter time, but you maybe want something bigger, check out the playlist because there's all kinds of ones there. These are all going into my Easter baskets that I'm putting together. I will, if I remember, do a quick video or just share a photo on my social pages just so you can see how those all look. I've got a variety of colours here. I've just realised I've not done pattern paper on the bottom of this one, so I will do that one and you'll see it complete by the end. But all of the decoration here is from the spring kit that was part of it was the exclusive gift in Papercraft Essentials. I'll have it linked below if it's still available. But lots of you that are watching this probably won't do Easter ones anyway. You might do it as a birthday gift or for Christmas, which is where they're traditionally used. So these are pretty quick to make, so let's get started. So to make one cracker, you want a piece of 5 by 8 cardstock. And along the 5-inch side, you're going to score every 3/4 of an inch. So 3/4, 1 1/2, 2 1/4, 3, 3 3/4, and 4 1/2. And then rotate, and you're going to score at 1, 1 1/2, and 2, and then 6, 6 1/2, and 7. Okay, so do that on as many pieces as you're going to need. Next, you want to fold and burnish all of your score lines. Cardstock I'm using here is about a 220 GSM, but 300 GSM cardstock will work as well. If you want these to be actual working crackers with a snap inside them, again, check out that playlist because you'll see them there. Then I would recommend using a lighter weight cardstock because the idea is that they get pulled apart, so you want them to rip quite easily. So when you've folded all those score lines, you want to fold the side score lines so you've got this kind of M shape. All right, so they've kind of fold in like so. We're going to cut into those pieces in a moment. So you should have a 1/2-inch tab on the right hand side here, and then 6 3/4 inch panels there. Fold this one over. Okay, so you've got one score line and then the fold, and then on the other side you should have another score line. Okay, so keep it this way with that flap facing you. And first of all, you're going to have this little square part. You want to remove that completely. Okay, now I'm not going to be pulling this one apart, so I'm keeping this quite thick, but you just want to cut a triangle over the score line. So you've got this piece. If I open it up, you see you want that kind of connection. If you make this connection really small, when they pull the two ends, it will rip really easily. And like I said, you'll see that in those other videos, but just go over each of the score lines with a triangle cut, or you can just cut up like so and then take a wedge off of one side and then take a wedge off of the other. It's just a bit quicker. Don't worry about measuring or making sure each one's exact. This is what's all hidden with your ribbon. This all gets tied together so you don't see any of it. Like so. And then just at the end there, just do the 1/2. So when you open it up, you should have something that looks like this. This little one here will be your tab for the top. So I'm just going to take a little wedge off of there and also off of this side. So I'll show you again at this end. So just fold that over. So you've got the one score line. Again, you should have one score line on the back. Now my 1/2-inch tab is on my left-hand side. So that little square should be down in the corner for you. You're just going to remove that again. And then again, just take a nice wedge off of that one, and then I'm going to do those triangles over the score lines again. Make sure you pinch those pieces together. You don't want them shifting or moving. Okay, open it up and you'll have something like this. And then again, just take a wedge off of the corners there and off of that piece. So you want to have something like that. I'm then going to decorate all of the panels while it's flat. So I've cut myself 6 of these strips here. And then I've cut myself 12 of these pieces, which are going to go on all of the ends here and here. So for these ones, they're 1/2 inch by 3 3/4. And these are 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch. So get all of those stuck down. Next, you want to add your glue down these tabs here. So I'm just using the quick grab glue all the way along there, and then just fold over 2 of the panels and the glue panel, and then just that one on the other side. You want it to all lie flat, and it should all line up nicely. So if you want to make a load of these and then just store them away, you could just leave them now with the ribbons that you maybe want to put with them, and you know, they don't take up much room, so they're great to kind of make ahead of time. And now when you bring that all together, these will fold in because of the way that you folded them, but you see there, you get that lovely shape, and then you can fill it with treats. If the treats are bigger than the hole, then they're not going to fall out. If you're putting maybe a necklace or something in there, then pop it in a little organza bag or some tissue paper. You don't want it falling out there. But yeah, that's it. They're easy to make. So I've made this little topper here. So I just want my join at the back. So it'd be this one here. These are all, like I said, the toppers and papers from that kit. And again, even with that on, I could just keep it all flat now and store them away. But I am going to pop it into its 3D shape. These are going to have a mix of gifts and chocolates in. So that's them all finished. That's the one that I've just done there. And I think they are just adorable. They're so cute. I love these toppers. Like I said, the kit, this is, I keep mine all in here. There's loads more to it as well, and the papers and stuff. The little honeycomb oval kind of shapes as well that you've got. I think these are great. I think these are lovely for, you know, like I said, table favours and things like that. But also, you know, it could be a teacher's gift, great for craft fairs, all kinds of things. So as always, thank you for watching. I will have the cracker playlist would have already been shared, but I have some other tutorials coming up now, so you might want to click on and watch those ones next. Product, like I said, is always linked in the description box below this video. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today, so I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye.